Motion. That's where it starts. If it weren't for motion, stuff would just be stuff. Frozen, timeless, dead stuff. There would be nothing. We don't usually think about that sort of thing. It all seems too obvious. But what if we did? Think about it. One good question, a good scientific question, might be what makes motion happen. We could answer force. Push something and it moves. The next question, the next scientific question, could be what makes motion stop. A fairly obvious answer is stuff stops moving when you stop pushing. That's how Aristotle, a dead Greek who stopped moving several thousand years ago, explained it. And that was the answer up until the time of Galileo in the 17th century. That motion is the result of force, and if you take away the force, motion stops. However, another, trickier answer might be that stuff stops moving not just because force goes away, but because friction happens. Think about this. We know that if you reduce friction, stuff moves easier. What would happen if you got rid of friction altogether? That's a good scientific question. Of course it's impossible, but if you could get rid of friction, it makes sense that stuff would just keep on moving, forever, even if you were no longer pushing. That's what Galileo determined. Using balls rolling down an incline ramp like this, starting at different places on the ramp, he demonstrated that without friction, a ball could roll forever. So why does stuff want to keep moving, or to not move? It is inertia, the stubborn heart of all stuff. Inertia, which is profoundly conservative, hates change. Because of inertia, you have to use force to get stuff moving. Then, once it's moving, you have to use force to change the motion. Force is connected with the change in motion, not with the motion itself. The motion goes on forever. Thank you.